Hi, happy 2018 and welcome to an all new dolallycrafts for the new year. Okay, I'm Karen and I'm nervous because this is the first time that you've seen me on screen apart from my hands with the cards. So please excuse me as I quietly melt here. Okay, to start off with, I've got a question to ask and I need your responses. The question is, would you prefer my future videos to have me chattering away inanely as I make the cards and describing what I'm doing, how I'm putting things together, and just chatting about family life in general as I do so? Or would you like the videos to be more like my Christmas series that I've just finished, where I play a little bit of light music in the background and I speed through the videos so that you're only watching for 5 or 6 minutes at the most? I'd be really curious to know which one you would prefer, because I have 2 new series coming out in the next week or two. The first series will come out on a Sunday and it's called Fun Flips and Folds, and as the name suggests, it's putting together cards that you either flip or fold in some special way to make them more interactive for your recipient. I'll be using new products, old products, a mixture of the two. So yes, that's the first series, and as I said, I'm hoping to have the first one uploaded and ready for viewing for Sunday. The only thing is, I need your responses as soon as possible so that I know how I'm editing it. Please excuse the siren in the background. We can't help it when these things, if you can hear it when these things happen. Hopefully nobody's seriously injured. Anyway, the next series that I'm starting will come out on a Thursday called Throwback Thursdays, naturally. And they will be concentrating mainly on the older sets of stamps. I know I don't make any money on stamp sets that are no longer available through Stampin' Up. But if you're like me, there are some old sets that you really don't want to get rid of because they're lovely sets. The only thing is, they sit there and you look at them and you think, oh, there's no DSP that goes with it, or how can I use these and still make them nice and fresh cards and whatnot. And quite often you see them sitting on the shelf and you forget that they're there until you see an old video appear on YouTube. So we're doing Throwback Thursday, and that, as I said, will be using a lot of my old stamp sets, but with the new colours, fresher colours, and with some of the new DSPs that come out. DSPs, for those who are new to my channel, are designer series paper packs. So I hope you will join me on a Sunday and a Thursday. Now, as we all know, celebration starts tomorrow. I haven't actually got any celebration items or occasion catalogue items yet. I'm hoping to place an order this week. As I receive those, I will make off-the-cuff videos using the occasions and celebration items. And they will usually come under the celebrations heading on my videos. So you'll know that they are for Celebration 2018, and then hopefully next year I'll have a Celebration 2019. So it'll make it easier to see when each video was made, like which era. Anyway, that's all for now. I hope I've made a lot of sense and that I haven't just waffled on and it's all gone. Okay, so stay tuned for Sunday's first card, which will be a fun flip and fold, and yeah, I'll see you then. Bye bye.